Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Elgato Stream Deck for OBS shortcuts, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Elgato Stream Deck for OBS shortcuts, start by ensuring both the OBS Studio software and the Elgato Stream. Open the Elgato Stream Deck app. You will see a grid layout where you can customize your buttons. Next, open OBS Studio. Minimize OBS Studio so you can see both the Stream Deck app and OBS at the same time. In OBS, go to the Settings menu located in the lower right corner. Click on the Hotkeys tab in the left sidebar. Here, you will see a list of all the actions you can perform in OBS. Assign your desired shortcuts by clicking on the box next to each action. Press the key combination you wish to use for that action. Once you've set your hotkeys, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Return to the Elgato Stream Deck app. Drag and drop the hotkey action from the right panel onto any button on the grid. Click on the new button to configure it. In the configuration window, input the same key combination you assigned in OBS. Label the button for easy identification. Repeat the process for any additional actions you want to bind to Stream Deck buttons. Once you are done, connect your Elgato Stream Deck to your computer if it's not already connected. Test each button by pressing them while OBS is active. Ensure that each button is performing the assigned actions correctly. Adjust any labels or assignments as needed for better organization. You are now ready to use your Elgato Stream Deck for OBS shortcuts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.